From Dr. J.J. Mundam College of Engineering, and today we are going to discuss a research paper on advancements in robotic systems and human-robot interaction for Industry 4.0. Now, this research paper was originally published by K. Amalia, a professor from country Ukraine, in the year 2023. So now, let's start. First of all, let's see about Industry 4.0. As we all know, there have been the 4 industrial revolutions till now. The first one was steam power, second was electrical one, third one automation. And in the Industry 4.0 currently we are approaching human-robot interaction and AI integration in the machine. So as we are advancing towards the future, we have the need for the human-robot interaction that humans should now work with robots, because the advancements have been so far and we have came so far in this industrial field that humans now need to work with robots, and also we need to integrate the AI in the robots. Now let us dive more into this topic. Now the 4th industrial revolution was powered by digitalization and automation. As we all know the assembly line of a vehicle. How the assembly line was working in the previous days. The person was standing and fitting all the nuts and bolts and making a vehicle. But now, how the scenario has changed? Now we all have the machines and automation that work independently without the humans to make a vehicle. We can see now a vehicle can be made from the assembly line within a couple of minutes or even less than that. So also, robotics are playing a key role in reshaping the industries. The industries are revolutionizing. The industries are reshaping because of the human-robot interaction. Next slide. Now, for the autonomous behavior, that the robot should work autonomously without the bothering of the humans or without the controlation of humans. The robot should work autonomously. And we are using artificial intelligence for that purpose. Now, artificial intelligence, as we all know, it's booming up in the current world, and we have to integrate the same in the robotics for the improvement of our industries and also for the more productivity. What AI enables? AI enables robots to perform decision-making tasks. From recognizing an image to performing a task, the robots are very necessary. And to do that, we need AI. The AI drives the robot to do certain tasks and increase our productivity and increase our manufacturing rate. For example, autonomous driving system, as we all know, the Tesla is very famous currently. And how Tesla is working, Tesla is a mechanical marvel. But now it is a smart one because of the AI, because we have integrated the AI in that mechanical marvel, and we are getting a great productivity, a great vehicle, a great marvel because of the AI and robotics integration. EFI magazine 2023 September edition was focusing more on cobots. Now let's discuss more about the cobots. What are the cobots? Now, transition from isolated robots to cobots. What is the cobot? Cobot is type of robot which works collaboratively with humans. Now, EFI 2023 magazine, most research papers are published in that magazine that featured cobots. How cobots were helping humans to increase their productivity and also to revolutionize this field. The cobots work with interaction with the human, as I discussed previously about the assembly line of a vehicle. So, the robots which are working collaboratively with humans to perform a certain task are known as cobots. And cobots are very important and very in a very fast pace nowadays, because human needs cobots in various fields. Now, in workers at factories, and we are all listening. We are reducing the numbers of workers. Why? Because the robots are working in collaboration with humans. And what the robots are called, which work collaboratively with humans, they are known as the cobots. And what is the advantage of cobot? That cobot can work very safely alongside with humans. Cobots are very safe, very reliable to increase our productivity and make the task perform very quickly. Now, as I have taken the example, the collaborative robots that work in manufacturing, in food industry process, vehicle manufacturing, or any kind of mechanical manufacturing, the cobots are currently working. Next slide. Now, as we have seen many videos on YouTube of very famous tech burner and all, they are showing the view of the smartphone industry. If you see that video very carefully, we are coming to a conclusion that the robots are performing very well in manufacturing of smartphones. Nowadays, we don't currently need humans to assemble all that micro parts. The robots are doing it very effectively and very precisely. So there are very less errors also. And the perfection, we are getting more towards the perfection. As we all see how the mobile devices that we are using, how greatly they are enhancing the design and all. This is because of the robots, because integration of AI and robotic collaboration in the industries, we are getting this kind of perfection. Also, the autonomous vehicles and logistics are very collaborative. Next. Now, as the in our program, as the sir told us, where there is a Superman, there is a Superman. There are some challenges. The cobots are very useful to us. Also, the AI integration in robotics is very useful. But there are some negative aspects of it as well. We have to take care about that. We have to ensure safety in collaborative environments where the humans and robots work together. We have to ensure safety in that manner. If the robots goes uncontrolled, we have to able to control it with certain programs that we should make earlier to ensure safety between robots and humans. Also, there should be the reliable communication protocols. Now, as it is a robot, it is a non-living thing, and it works completely on the program made by humans. So now, it should be reliable because the robot should not perform the tasks which are not given to it. So we should make a reliable communication between humans and robots to ensure the safety and also to ensure the reliability of the employees as well as the robots that are working together to increase the productivity. Next. Now, safety in robotic system is very important. HRI, that is human robotic interaction. The safety in this human robot interaction is very important. Now, some standard protocols are ahead of us, and we need to follow that if we are integrating AI in robotics and we are doing some kind of automation. We need to follow these safety protocols. And also the sensors and air level monitoring systems are there. There should be not errors. They should not malfunction. And due to that, it can possess some risks. We have to reduce that risk. We have to follow some safety protocols to ensure a collaborative environment between humans and robots. Next slide, please. Also, there should be communication protocols that real-time data exchange between humans and robots. As we all know, 5G-driven technology is very important. In USA, the drones and all the smart robots are working to search for persons, to search for any lost persons, or search for any particular object, to deliver to deliver some packages and all. And the drones are working very quickly. Why? Because of the 5G. 5G internet connectivity is possessing a great advantages to work robot in a very specific manner and to work in very quick manner. The 5G data transfer speeds are very high, up to 4 to 5 Gbps we are getting the speed, and this speed is helping to increase the productivity of the robot and also to increase the performance of the robots that we are using. The robotic system in US and in any other countries, as we all know some examples, they are very great examples for us to prove this. Next. Also, the transparent robot behaviors enhances user confidence. User education and feedback system are critical. We have to train our personnel, we have to train our employees to teach them how the human robot collaboration works and how this environment is created in our industry to ensure peaceful and smooth process execution.
You can conclude.
Yes. Next. These are some future trends. And last, robotics is revolutionizing industrial operations. Collaborative robotics enhances human-robot synergy. Challenges remain in safety, communication, and trust. But we are focusing on the challenges, and soon we will overcome that, and we will have a greater human-robot collaboration, and we will have a greater industrial approach towards this. Thank you.